10 years ago, Allaire Health Services began with a simple but powerful belief. Exceptional healthcare starts with putting people first. From the very beginning, Allaire set out to deliver more than care, to provide dignity, compassion, and reliability to individuals and families when they need it most. Today, Allaire Health Services is a trusted provider of high-quality, community-centered care, guided by core values of being drama-free, self-motivated, and dependable. As we mark our 10-year anniversary, we reflect on the journey that shaped who we are today.
My journey with healthcare started when I was studying abroad in Israel, and I was a volunteer for an organization. Saturday nights, we would entertain children and their families that had cancer.
Ben returned home with a renewed passion for healthcare and a clear understanding that leadership, compassion, and strong systems could change lives. In 2007, after earning his administrative license, Ben committed himself fully to the field, continuously advancing, learning, and growing with every role he took on.
I was an administrator for 9 years, and my goal was always to eventually start a company when the time was right.
In 2016, that vision became reality. That year, Allaire Health Services was firmly established.
Monmouth County was looking to sell 2 of their buildings, and we were the successful bidder. That really started off a cascading effect of establishing a niche of who we are.
Soon after, Allaire expanded, acquiring facilities in Morristown, Pennsylvania, and East Orange, New Jersey.
With each transaction, there was a core team led by Ben that was truly focused on transitioning a building in a methodical and organized manner. We were very focused on employee engagement. Quality of care was very important to the Allaire company, and that became the first building of a long journey.
In 2017, a major milestone was reached with the opening of Allaire's second Morristown facility, strategically located across from a major hospital, marking Allaire's first collaboration with a healthcare partner.
It turned out to be a great partnership for both. We proved that we will get them the outcomes that they need, and we were there for them.
By 2019, the momentum continued, with expansions into Delaware and Perth Amboy, each step strengthening Allaire's footprint and extending its mission. As Allaire grew, so did its reputation. Strategic partnerships with hospitals and financial institutions became a cornerstone of success, reinforcing operational strength and ensuring continuity of care for patients and families.
With every new acquisition and every new market that we enter into, our goal is always to figure out what are the unmet needs in that market. Wherever we are, we connect with hospital partners, with downstream partners, and of course with the community in which we are operating.
We make their goals our goals. We make their challenges our challenges. We make their success our success. And we do that by working together and creating clinical pathways to best manage the patients.
We like to have the resources of a larger company, but also that mom-pop feel. At any building that we have, we'd like to tailor-make it to the geography that it's in. We're going to provide the systems, the policies, all the things that make it special. Every building is unique, and we want to make sure that that reflects inside the building.
Allaire successfully collaborated with financial institutions, earning a reputation for integrity and reliability.
Our reputation was known as somebody who could come in and stabilize a building and stabilize it quickly. I think that also speaks to us as a company.
Through it all, one principle never changed: a relentless commitment to delivering high-quality, compassionate care through consistency and relationships built over time. This continued success is firmly rooted in the core values and beliefs that guide Allaire's mission.
That core foundation of excellent care, teamwork, no drama, has always been visible to me from day one.
The goal is always to revolutionize healthcare delivery, and that's always been the motto since I've been with the company. Keep up with the evolution of the healthcare as technology grows and plans of care evolve. Always just keep up to date with that.
The whole company has bought into there is a better way to do things. We're yes people. Every challenge we are faced with, we look for solutions and really do what's best for our patients.
The vision from the beginning was to create a place where people's needs were going to be met, where we always could find a way to say yes to a patient's need, a staff member's need,
The ones who stand out as leaders are the ones who are self-motivated. If you're self-motivated, you're going to say, what do I need to do to get there? What do I need to do to get this job done better?
We always worked well together. We're always open and transparent with each other. And ultimately, it wasn't just ourselves as a team. It extended to the employees at the building, it extended to the residents at the building.
When the folks that you're working with are happy people that just want to work together as a team, and everyone's vision of great patient care is aligned, that's bound to trickle down.
Then came the ultimate test. When the pandemic challenged healthcare systems everywhere, Allaire stayed focused on what mattered most.
We knew one thing: we need to provide great patient care, and whether it made sense or not, we will never compromise on who we are as a company and what we set out for to do originally. And we had to give bonuses, we had to up salaries.
The state had given permission at that point in time for anyone to be fast-tracked to provide care. We had quite a few staff from the corporate team that were literally picking up shifts at facilities to assist with what was going on.
What we had from Allaire, I will never forget. They sent in resources that were amazing. We had food service, we had housekeepers. They came in every evening in vans. They had hotel rooms. They stayed. And they got us through a time that really was very, very challenging.
The regulations were constantly changing, and we knew that one of the things that was going to be so important in this time of unknown was excellent communication. At least once a week, we got on a call together, all of the administrators and directors of nursing, to go over any regulatory changes, to go over what they needed to expect.
Allaire stepped into quite a few buildings that needed assistance, to the point where you had the state of Pennsylvania asking Allaire to step into a building just to clean it up and then, pass it on to the next person.
It's these tough times when you're in the trenches with your coworkers, trying to figure out how you're going to get through not only the day, but through the hour. And they come through for you and they go to every length possible, every measure possible, whatever they can do. That's when you see you're really privileged to work with such a great group of people.
The pandemic didn't just test Allaire's systems, it revealed its values. And when the crisis passed, Allaire emerged stronger, entering a period of sustainable growth, resilience, and continued success.
Looking back at 10 years of success, and thinking about the grassroots of 2015, 2016, when Allaire was born, till today, a 10-year anniversary is a tremendous accomplishment. Today, Allaire is a well-established company with a lot of infrastructure.
At this point, across all of our facilities, and it's amazing, 24 now, we have so many different clinical programs. We have pulmonary, we have cardiac, we have behavioral health. We've done so many different things to just augment the care that patients can expect to receive when they come into the facility.
When I came 5 years ago, and Allaire was only 6 buildings, I was like, okay, this is like a young growing company, and we're only 5 years later and the company's already like 5 times that. Allaire has really been able to replicate this business model of taking over buildings that were either struggling or needed some new injection of infrastructure or leadership or programming, whatever it may be, and being able to really put that in place and succeed.
To all the team members at Allaire, at the corporate level, at the facilities level, we truly feel that today we have a solid team across the board in every single region. Everyone's valued, everyone's appreciated, and ultimately no one person could do it on his own. It's really a sign of the team that we have in place that we are where we are today.
I told my team in the beginning of 2025 that this is the year of competence, and it really, really was. We've become smarter, more competent, and by extension, more caring, because the more you know, the better care you're able to give. It's because of that that I'm really excited of what's in store. I'm excited about our future and for the next 10 years.